This is my cider. This is made from apples from around the corner and some eating apples we got from Baswich. The strength of it is about 8% and it's brewing lovely. As you can see, the demijohn is puffing out the air and it's doing absolutely marvellous. On the left hand side I have some beetroot wine that is absolutely flying around. Look at that bubbles going. It's fermenting. This is about 11%. I've used the hydrometer, so of course I've got quite a good reading for these particular brews, and I hope to enjoy them in the future weeks. And that's my commentary. And by the way, this is our new bedroom. Me and Diane have worked absolutely tirelessly to get to this state. And it is not a state, it's absolutely wonderful. We've got a brand new carpet, which is a maroon purpley colour. We have this here, and Diane's got a mess out there because we're doing the bathroom as well. And that's me signing off. Thank you, goodbye.